हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। देखिए राइट, इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है, एक सर्कल है, उसके सेंटर पे चार्ज क्यू रखा है और उसमें एक सर्टेन चार्ज यानी कि जो पॉइंट चार्ज है इस कैरिड, यहाँ पे भी चार्ज क्यू है और यहाँ से क्यू चार्ज को चार पाथ है, ए से बी, ए से सी, ए से डी एंड ए से ई, चार पाथ पे लाया गया है। और फिर ऑप्शन दिया गया है कि इज लिस्ट अलोंग द पाथ है, आई मीन जब चार्ज को आप ए से बी लाओगे तो किस पाथ के लॉन्ग जो वर्क डन बाय एक्सटर्नल पर्सन जो है वो लिस्ट होगा। तो एज यू ऑल नो द वर्क डन बाय एक्सटर्नल पर्सन, और यू कैन से लाइक राइट, द वर्क done is equal to change in potential energy, that is u final minus u initial. So from here I can say the right potential energy is equal to charge into potential, so that is q into v final minus q into v initial. Okay. So from here I will say the q can be taken as common, and that becomes v final minus v initial. Now you can see from here that if you take along a and b, so here the potential will be same because the point A is at a distance of r and point B is also a distance of r. So A and B are equipotential points. So this will be 0 for A and B. So work done will be 0. If I see here for AB path, right, the work done comes Q into V final minus V initial. So for AB path also, right, the A and B are equipotential, so this will be 0. So AB path is 0. Same can be said for A and C also. If you will take here A and C path, then once again the point A and point C are equidistant from the Q. So A and C are also equipotential, same potential. So once again the delta V will become 0. So for AC also work done will be 0. If you will take for AD, once again A and D are equidistant from the center, so A and D are also having the same potential, so the delta V will become 0. So for AD also this quantity will become 0. If you will take A and E, so the points A and E are also at the right, the periphery of the circle, that is equidistant from the center. So A and E are also at the same potential. So V final minus V initial will be 0. For AE also this will be 0. So from here I can see for all the paths the work done will be 0. So you can see which option is there. It is C, because it is 0 along each path AB, AC, AD and AE. So I hope you understood this question. Thank you everyone.